Heather Henry, CBS News, the White House.
And we are talking about some of the a renewed sense of trauma with what's going on over there in Afghanistan, especially for our military veterans who served there over the last 20 years. Emily Cohen talks to a local expert on ways we can support them.
State Representative Haraz Ganbari posting on Facebook, please call and check on your battle buddies and their families, along with some resources. As new pictures and videos are shared from Afghanistan, the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs also warns those who have served overseas may be feeling strong emotions as they're reminded of their own deployment.
Especially for veterans with PTSD, this is going to kick up a lot of memories, a lot of flashbacks, maybe even nightmares for people. Because they're being exposed to maybe things they've experienced in the past, and PTSD pulls them into feeling like they're experiencing it in the present.
Tiffany Pottkotter, a psychiatric nurse practitioner with ProMedica, says this is a really hard time for veterans and even people who are not. She says for those feeling helpless and far away, the best thing to do is get your support system around you.
Whether that be your counselor, a spouse, a friend, a veteran support group. There are so many resources out there for veterans. Take advantage of them and use them.
If you are that spouse or loved one providing support, Pottkotter says there's resources online to educate yourself on what they may be going through. But the biggest thing is being a supportive person.
Listen to them, understand if they are having a flashback, how to support them, how to assist them in a grounding technique, and how to get them through that moment.
Pottkotter says these feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and guilt from not being over there are normal.
Don't feel sad or guilty about having these feelings. These are normal. This is what our brain takes us through in times of trauma and unrest, and especially if you are suffering from PTSD, this is part of the process.
If you or someone you know may be feeling this renewed trauma, you can find a list of mental health resources for veterans on our website now. Reporting in Toledo, Emily Cohen, WTOL 11.
Ohio's hospital systems are becoming strained at treating COVID patients as